Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, lists in Python. What are the lists are available in Python language? Why we require to use lists? Whenever multiple items are occurring in Python language, we are going to using applying list items by reading one by one. We'll see more details in this video session. Watch it.
Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you lists in Python. How to use the lists and how to update the list and modify and corrections if we require in regular Python programming language. Now, a simple parameter I am going to take in names of list items. List will always declares with using these braces. Strongly remember. All right. And within this list items, I am writing using either single quotes or double quotes. You can use it. The names I am taking 5 with the comma. That is the distinguish between the names, like Alice and Mary and dog, using the single quotes. And take any number of, you can take it, no problem. And crash one more. All right, this is the 5 things, that is the items. I have taken 5 items in the list, and now I am going to writing here print the names. All right, now see, I am printing the values of name. It is the names we can take it because it's in a list items. Here we go and take in a print. Yep. Now see here, this is the now item. I'm going to run app. Now see, Perry, Alice, the list it is printed. Names Perry, Alice, Mary, John, Fish. These are the options that are available over here. And Perry, Alice, Mary, John, Fish. This is the items which is printed. I have a given a command here. I'll append here with the list items over here by declaring these braces. And the print statement is printing completely the names. That is the very much easy to understand. In advantages of lists, we will see now. If I want to print like a index item from the list, we can call the index of the item from the list by calling names of. Just simply we will use this as the function print statement only. See, within the names, within the braces, if I pass the 0 indicates, it will be treated as a Perry only. It will be written. Now see here the Perry. Like array, it will be treated like index numbers like 0, 1 and all. If I print 1, the Alice is printed over here. Alright, that is an indexing of this. And similarly, there is an item like negative numbers in list items also. If I pass -1 like a negative number, it will be like shown you that negative index love from left to right side to starting position. That is a negative number. Negative index. And likewise, we have a facility to print, call it as an slicing in this list. Like see 2, if I pass as a primary index, now we will see Mary, John, Fish. The range which is printing from beginning of the from 2 to end till end. 0 is this one, 1 from 2 is beginning from here, and I have not mentioned anything that the ending number, so it is taken 3, 4, 5. Mary, John, Krish. All right, and index print range of if it is there any specific range if we provide. One more number, one more name I'll mention here, Peter. All right, and now see here, like if I'm passed, my index range is 2 to 4. Like it will be prints only for 2 to 4 range. What are the items are available here, and it will be prints. Like see is an output Mary and John, which is coming from 2 to 4. 0, 1 and 2 to 4 means this is the John and Mary is going to be slicing. Like we can play the games with the list items in Python. Most of the items we can treat it as in a group of bunch of items. We don't know what are the items it's coming. We can treat it as in a list items. If we want to print a complete list, we simply ignore the list here, the index positions, and where we will see that complete list will be printed over here. See, all right. And now also we can correct the list items. We don't know what is the list item is exactly getting as a proper output. Now we will see I'm taking as a print as an output of names here, the list item, and the names query and the index position 0 is I want to push something, some other name, like simply we can call it as the names of index number 0 I want to be going to be correct, and with the text of some name like student, some other name, or you can say like what is the name I have to post here? Tom, simply Tom. All right, the 0 position query is replaced with this one. Now I am basically I am pushing here the 0 index position. This is the Tom name I have to be replaced with the query, and now see here the rest of the positions will see the Tom is replaced, query is replaced with the Tom, right? And Alice and as the rest of the things, the items are remains the same. And we can also specify the index position, which index position from the list we need to correct it, that particular position index we need to call it as, and we can also correct the list items as we require. All right, that is a very simple and easiest way, and you'll easily get it. And also similarly, you can use the for loop to print the items, what are the items are available in this as well. Okay, and a simple access we will see here, like instead of name, I'll use the numbers, and the numbers I can take it as some numbers with the list items like 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3. Every number is distinguished with the comma only. It is required. Some number 22. Okay, that is enough. Any number you can take it, access it, and I want to know what is the big number out of this maximum number. The big number I want to take an output using the list. Can you assume it and write a program for me using the for loop statement? See, the solution is here. Max I am passing numbers of indexing, that is a 0, for initiating the for loop. Number in numbers, the for loop is initiating over here, and press enter. If number is number like a number in numbers, the same number is in numbers, and what we can call it as, sorry, this is a for loop statement, we have to run it with this, then only it will understand. Numbers, if number is like in numbers, okay, and just a second, if number, just a second, we have already written for loop statement here, number in numbers, that statement if what we want to calculate number greater than max, if number greater than max, then what is my requirement is max that equal to number, that number I'm pushing to max, and straight away I'm taking the print over here, come to know to what is the max number is, that is the max number I'm going to print over here. See, let's execute the statement first. The 22 is showing that it's in a maximum number from the out of the list. See, once more again I'll explain you the steps what I have followed here. The max I have declared all the numbers of the index of 0 likewise. The max variable I have declared here. And for loop initiating number for each number like number in numbers. Numbers means this is the list item I am passing to the for loop. In operator using in number. On each number I am comparing with what? That number that is the index of 0 it is having with this first initial position max, right? And a number is greater than max, then the max is equal to that one. And the number of if it is a greater than that particular number, see here, if the number what is coming with the this list items and 0 position 3 I have declared predefinedly I declared here. And the number max, if it is greater than this particular number will be stored into the max position. And again the loop will be iterates up to these levels. How many list items are there? It may be n number of items as you can push that many number of iterations. It will be for loop will be runs, iterates, and finally the max number will be stored in the max position and it will be prints in the max. The 22 it's in a max number, it's came here. Alright, that is a pretty much easy to write in the list in Python programming language.
Thanks for watching Eagle Education. I hope it will be useful to you. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details regarding these tutorials, watch below. The description of my contact details are available. Thank you.